Welcome back, everyone. We're here in the middle of nowhere. We're doing some work, getting our boots dirty, and there's nothing worse than having to do some grinding in the field. So I've been inspired to build something. I would love to be able to just grab the go-kart belt grinder from the shop, throw it over my shoulder, haul it anywhere, and grind anything. It's definitely the best tool for the job. But the thing is a 750-pound beast that also needs that nuclear power plant energy. It's just not feasible. I'm going to be answering the question that nobody's asked: can I build something like the go-kart belt grinder? In order to make this grinder work, we're going to have to start from scratch. I think we're going to start off with 2 wheels that I'm going to machine out on the lathe. We attach a frame that's going to space the wheels out to run a 2x42-inch belt, and then power it by some sort of power unit to help drive these 2 wheels. In order to have the best power unit, it needs to be compact, lightweight, wieldy, versatile, portable, rugged, dependable, and of course, powerful. The chainsaw. It's been perfected over the last 100 years. It's definitely the best tool to use. Can I make the most powerful portable belt grinder? Let's head back to the shop and see if I can build a chainsaw-powered belt grinder. So here's my plan. I'm going to be reusing the clutch off the side of the chainsaw. I want to add this flexible coupling to drive the wheel. So I got to figure out how I'm going to add this coupling to this clutch. So let's tackle that next.
Oh, here we go again.
Now that the drive line and the axle have been machined out, I want to build a billet aluminum drive wheel. So let's build ourselves one that'll be able to handle the RPMs. This piece is 6061, 7-inch round, will work nicely for this wheel. Got the billet aluminum wheel all finished up. We got the groove inside here for the belt. Hopefully this will help the belt track at such ridiculous RPMs. As you can see, the pulley's flopping around on this flexible drive shaft coupler, so we're gonna need to tie the pulley in and give it some support to the frame of the power unit. So let's tackle that next. Here's what we got. I went ahead and made 2 drive rollers. One is just a hard wheel that has some crown in it, and then one's a contact wheel that you'd normally see on a belt disc sander. And we'll play around with which one works best so we can change these out when need be. And then we have this pull-out sleeve, and this is what's gonna provide the tension for the belt. So here's the spring that I'm using. It's off of a porch swing that I got from Home Depot, and I've actually cut it in half, and then I had to grind down the diameter so it fits nice and snug in there. So really like the way this looks. So strap next and a platen. We'll get this thing going. The smell of leather. Holy moly, why didn't I have this 10 years ago? I think the concept for a portable belt grinder is totally doable. Now that I know that it works, we can make this frame out of aluminum to try to lighten it up a little bit more. The strap worked great. I can just let go of the saw and it just swings to my side. I don't have to drop it in the mud. Power, holy smokes, this thing has a lot of power. Having a flat platen on the grinder, man, amazing. I've never had that accessibility before out here in the field. Belt tracking, spot on. It worked way better than I anticipated it. Not having any of those moving parts to come loose, just adding these 2 rails on the side, the best thing ever. I think this fits right in with the arsenal with my chainsaw and my hot saw. Now I got my portable grinder too. I can just throw all 3 in the back of the truck and I can almost do anything. Pretty special. That was super fun. Thank you guys for joining me. I gotta get back to work and I'll catch you on the next one.